Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we are going to solve another C++ practical question. Okay, so this is the question that we are going to solve today. This is the question. Okay, this is the question, but able to solve this question, you have to first understand what the question is expecting from us. Okay, so first we are going to prompt the user to enter a number between a range of 1 to 10. Okay, so let's enter number between from 1 to 10. Okay, and also we are going to display the Roman numeral for that number. Okay, so we are going to display okay, so display the Roman numeral for that number. Okay, so these are the two things that we are going to do. First, we will ask the user to enter. Okay, let me clean it. Okay, so first we will ask the user to enter a number between from 1 to 10 and then display the Roman numeral for that number. Okay, so this is what we are going to do right now. I believe the understanding is okay. Okay, so let me clean it and let's start writing our codes. Let me clean this one. Okay, so let's start writing our codes. First, we will declare our variable. Okay, so let's create our variable. Create variable. Create variable. Okay, so we are going to declare integer. Let me say number. Okay, so here let me prompt the user to enter number from 1 to 10. So enter number from 1 to 10. Okay, so see out enter number from 1 to 10. Let me make this one inline. Okay, so seeing number. Let me bring mine. Okay, so here is where we are going to use switch cases to store the values. Okay, so we are going to use switch cases to store the value of any number that the user will enter the Roman numeral for that number. Okay, so we are going to use switch cases, okay, to do that. Okay, so let me say display Roman numeral by the input number. Okay, so here I'm going to use the switch case. So switch case, okay, so the switch case is going to store the Roman numerals of each number that the user is going to type. Okay, so let's start with the switch cases. Okay, so switch. Okay, so number. Okay, so case 1. Case 1. Case 1. So see out. See out. Okay, so let me say the Roman numeral 4 1 is SI. Let me bring my n line. So let me bring break. Okay, break. So this break, I'm trying to tell the program that if it finished displaying if it's finished displaying the Roman numeral for 1 SI, it should end the program. Okay, so let me go to case 2. Case 2, sorry, case 2. And case 2, let me say see out there. Okay, so let me bring my break and go to case 7, and let me say see out. Let me see the Roman numeral for 7 is VII. Okay, so let me bring my end line. Let me bring break. Okay, let me go to case 8. Sorry, case 8. That one too, let me say see out. The Roman numeral for 8 is VII. Okay, so end line. Let me bring break. Let me go to case 9. So sorry, case 9. me say see out the Roman numeral for 9 is ix. Okay, so let me bring my end line. Break. Okay, so let me bring my break. Oh, sorry. Let me bring my less than. Okay, so we are good to go. So break. Okay, so case 10. Sorry, case 10. That one too. Let me say see out. Let me say the Roman numeral. Sorry, the Roman numeral for 10 is x. Okay, let me bring my end line. Okay, so I'm going to introduce break. Okay, so we are done with the switch cases. Okay, so if the user enters any, okay, so here we are going to do something. You see, the question says if the number is outside the range, thus if the number is not from in between, it's not part of numbers from 1 to 10, the program should display what error message. Okay, so this one is what I'm talking about. So as you can see, so we are going to let me clean this one. So here we are going to bring a default. We are going to bring default, so that default, let me say see out invalid number. Let me bring comma. Let me say enter. Let me enter a number. Okay, from 1 to 10. Okay, so this one this default, if the user enters any number that is not passed from 1 to 10, this default message will appear. Okay, so now we are done. Let's go and run and see whether there is no error in our codes. Okay, so let me run it here. Okay, you see there is no error, so it is asking me to enter a number from 1 to 10. Okay, so let me say 5. You see the Roman numeral for 5 is V. Okay, so we are done with the question. So you should, okay, so this is the answer. Okay, you see. Okay, so let me run it again and see. Okay, so here let me enter let me say 20. You see invalid number, enter number from 1 to 10. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, this one. Yeah, okay, yeah, so we are done with our program. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and follow our page for more content like this. Okay, See you in the next video. Bye.